Where are we going, Mom?
We're going back to the White River.
What are we gonna catch?
White bass. And maybe some smallmouth and largemouth and who knows, striped.
Mini mouth. Mini mouth.
You never know. You never know what we're going to pull out of the water.
Tell me what we caught yesterday.
Yesterday you caught your PB smallmouth bass at 2.5 ounce, baby.
And then what did we catch at Lake Place?
Saxony, we caught we caught one catfish and a carp. Yeah,
What did I miss 3 times?
A bass. Hey, put your sleeve on.
Dude, I'm not lying. That bass was like 7 pounds. If I catch him today, you guys will see. So yeah, see there. Dude. Ah. I got you.
Not again.
Cut it. Hurry. Hurry. That's a good one. He's a nice one.
Ooh, nice.
Pretty. Hold that.
Hop up.
Hold that.
Hop up.
Put him on my chair.
No, just hop up.
I told you had a fish, didn't I? The bite definitely slowed down, I'd say. You're slow.
Here we go.
Dude. I got him.
Didn't swallow again, did he?
No, I got him. Ow! I just hooked myself. Let's take a picture. Nice, like, pound.
Hang on.
Let's release this nice smallmouth. There he is again. And there he goes. Nice one. No, I think that's just current.
Because I need
Or record there just in case.
I need a minnow.
I don't think I got one. Nope. Didn't have anything in on it.
Take your time.
I think it's a big smallmouth.
Take your time.
You don't have the net?
No.
You got smallmouth?
Oh, that's
it's
a
a carp.
carp. That's a carp. That's a big carp.
That's a sucker. It's not a carp.
Really? How are you going to get him
Can you
off?
get the net?
Oh.
Please come here.
I don't want to get all that stuff on me. My new
It's
shoes.
okay.
Here, give me the pole. Okay. It's like a carp, right? Hold him like
Mom, bring them.
Okay, hold the line. I can't. I didn't set your phone right.
What is this thing?
Carp.
Carp? Give it to me.
I had a feeling that if I run down the hill, I was gonna go down in a bowl.
Come on, hurry. Hold this. This is chaos. Alright, give me the net. Did he ate the minnow?
That's what was on there.
Hold the rod. That was way too hard. Hold this, grab this, set the phone on my chair.
I'll go on the other side. Here. Quick. Be quick. Tiny.
Let me unhook him in the net. Can I get the pliers?
How are you gonna hold the net?
I got it here. Grab the net. Ain't all day, baby. Fish. Stop. Dude. Really? What's up? Wow, I'm holding
It's
it.
heavy.
I'll get the picture. Picture, Mama. Look at him, you see him? He's kicking. Let's just see him one more time. There he goes. Recording. There he goes.
There you go.
I still see him. That was unexpected. We got a white bass on. Oh, we got him. Come on, give me the net.
I can't. I was trying to save my
Oh,
memory.
he's dying.
Hurry, bring him here, quick.
All right, let's get a picture quick. Picture? Well, I know. Since you're not here, I have a fish. Big fish. I need the net.
Huh?
Hold this rod. I'm gonna go save this fish. I'm recording on there. Because I caught a green sunfish, Mom.
Really?
Yeah,
Why do you always catch everything when I leave?
you need to leave?
Don't step on that fish. Then you're gonna have to go out deeper than your boots for that. Extend the net. Extend the net. No, you don't. The cutters? Why?
Hurry, he's tangled on someone.
Here.
I know, bud. Please do no snake. Oh my God, it's so scary.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't I video that?
Hold this net. Grab the net. Chaos breaks loose when you're not here, Ma.
Apparently. Here.
Of course he swallowed it because he's been on there for a while, I guess. We're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna let him go. Look at him. Dude, I got drenched for that fish. Fishing down here is chaos. Let's get him back in the water, quick.
Oh, you did? How'd
Yeah.
you get a video of you with the fish? How'd you do the video and the...
I'll show you. Here he is, nice little.
There he goes.
I tried to get him. Picture. I'm in charge. Another nice small. There's my worm. Here he is. There he goes. Let's go, guys. That's a lot of species today. That's a lot of fish. I gotta get more bait on, guys. Hopefully we can get on some more before we have to go at 6 o'clock. It's like 5:30 right now, right, Mom? 5:30. So yeah, see ya. We got another one. I just threw my bait out. I was reeling it in because I didn't like the position, and the smallmouth. Where is he? I'll tell you guys what just happened. Let me just know something. Can I get the pliers? Alright, we're just gonna cut it. Cut it. Alright, let's release these minnows. The rest, they won't make it to the place. Here's one guy. Oh, there's a bass right there. Eat it. Oh, the bass ate it. What do we got? We got Rick. Here you go, Rick. Rip. There, here. I'm gonna stop recording. Alright, so it was a great day of fishing today. So we got on them pretty good. I would say 15 fish. So yeah, stay tuned. We got some spillway fishing, some boat fishing, some morning river fishing there. So yeah, stay tuned and stick around.
Walk past, I press, rewind, see that as one more time. And I got this soul